There's one additional change I want to make, anticipating what we're going to be doing with JavaScript. So notice what this is going to look like. What's going to actually happen is the user is going to enter a value here, and then it's going to update the cost here. So they enter 4, it will do the computation of what 4 times 9.99 is and put that cost there. And then it will calculate the sales tax and the total. So I want the user to be able to enter values here, but I don't want them to be able to enter them over here. So these are going to be computed costs that will be done by the JavaScript. So the way that I can prevent users from doing that is to set those elements in the HTML to read only. So if you go find the HTML, we're down in here in that in the field sets. There's 2 of them, and the ones that are computed have class equal to cost. And notice that this input covers 2 lines, and I just need to add the attribute read only. So I just put a space and I do read only. Now notice how my editor gives me an equal, and the thing you would put here is read only. So you end up having read only equals the string read only, which is in fact redundant and not recommended. So you just really need to put the word read only, and that will set it to read only. Now if I save that, I just did it to the first one and I refresh. Now if I go to try to type in there, nothing happens. So that's exactly what we want to have happen. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to put it on every one that is a cost, because that's going to be a computed value. And that'll be in both field sets, so there's 7 of those. And then down here as well in the totals section, I want those to be computed and read only. So I'm going to add that read only attribute there for those inputs that we anticipate will be computed values.